Hello everyone, I am Rakibul Hassan Khan, Assistant Professor of Assam Downtown University. Today I am going to discuss about what is pentoscopic tilt and what is retroscopic tilt. So, pentoscopic tilt means the lens bottom is rotated towards the cheeks. It is defined as a lens tilt about horizontal axis with respect to primary gaze of a subject. Here we will rotate the lens towards the face and we will rotate the bottom part of lens in horizontal axis, that is 180 degree. See the diagram. This is normal position of lens and this lens we will rotate towards the cheek in 180 degree. This is pentoscopic tilt. Next, in a simple way, it can be explained as the rotation of lens bottom towards the cheeks. Typically, this tilt range from 10 to 12 degrees and tilt up to 3 to 8 degrees are considered normal. Here we will make a line at 90 degree, like that. We will make a line at 90 degrees. See this diagram at 90 degree. Then from here to here, angle should be 10 to 12 degree. 10 to 12 degree from this line to front surface of lens. This angle should be 10 to 12 degree and back surface of lens, this one, back surface of lens to front surface of cornea, that is 12 to 14 millimeter. This is back vertex distance. Next, retroscopic tilt. The lens bottom is rotated away from the cheeks. Rotation of the lens around the horizontal axis occurs in frames at the hinge, so temple mounted at the top of a frame are rotated like the above illustration. Here we will rotate the lens outwards from the cheeks, like that. This is normal position of the lens and we will rotate the lens outward from the cheeks, and we will rotate the upper part of frame in horizontal axis, that is 180 degree. Next, lens tilt improves the way a lens works and contributes to how good a pair of glasses looks on the patient. Tilt is dependent on the interaction of the heights of the ears and bridge of the nose. Here, lens tilt helps in providing proper position, which makes the looks better. And how much to tilt the lens, it depends on height of the ears and bridge of nose. See in this picture, in this picture and in this picture. In this picture is inwards position the lens, inwards position the lens. Here we need to do retroscopic tilt. See this diagram. After retroscopic tilt, it will look like that. Next, so even though a new frame has about 7 degrees of tilt when manufactured, once lenses are added, the frame may not appear to have any tilt at all unless it is well adjusted to the wearer before any measurements are taken. Here, when the frame manufacturer, they already tilt the frame at 7 degrees. Until and unless it is not necessary to adjust, we can use as exactly it is. Next, so when taking measurements for free-form or digitally enhanced lenses, place the frame on the patient. Make sure the frame front is straight and lenses have about 8 degrees of tilt. The amount of tilt should look good. Here, when we have to place the frame on the patient face, always we have to make sure the frame is straight and lenses have 8 degree tilt, and it should be look better. So today we learn about what is pentoscopic tilt and what is retroscopic tilt. Hope you all have understood the pentoscopic tilt and retroscopic tilt. Thank you.